we're live. Hey everyone within the Livestorm community. Hey Sam, how are you?
Very good. How are you?
Really good, thank you. Great. Well, thanks everyone who's watching that little video. It's going to be a short one, maybe 2-3 minutes. We're very happy to present you today with Sam everything that comes within the enterprise plan at Livestorm. So we're going to go quite quickly, and maybe we can just jump straight away. Perfect. Thank you, Issam. We prepared, I think, maybe 5 or 6 slides. So I'm going to start by mentioning just a few features that are available only with our enterprise plan. As you can see, with the enterprise plan, you can do events of 12 hours. Just as a reminder, it's up to 4 hours within the Pro and Business plans. The second thing that is worth mentioning is the PowerPoint embedding that has been actually reworked and released a few weeks ago. So that is quite new and improved. Then we also have the RTMP feature that is being used by a lot of our enterprise clients. And finally, because I know that a lot of clients are interested in this one too, the SSO to sign in a very secure way in Livestorm. So it was a quick overview of the features, and I'm going to let Issam mentioning the different service packs that we have, because service packs are what make our business plan and enterprise plan.
Yes. So a part of the enterprise plan, we do have also service packages, and we have 3 of them. So we have the essential one, we have the advanced, and we have the ultimate. So for example, with the essential package, we have a variety of functionalities that will allow you to better start your experience with us in the best way. So for example, we have a kickoff, and we have also the work space setup. And we do have also access to our Livestorm learning platform, where you can onboard and you can also train your colleagues if needed be. We do have also a dedicated CSM team that will help you and follow up with you all along. But it's also, they're going to be partners with you along the way, so you can have a better experience with us. And that's something that Arnaud is going to cover in the next slide.
Absolutely. I think, Issam, you just used a very important word here, which is the word partner. That's really how you should think about the customer success management team. They are not necessarily here just to help you better use the tool and understand all the features and how to run better events. You can really see them as these experts. Livestorm has been working with more than 5,000 clients over the last 8 years. So we are industry experts. And you can read, obviously, what's written on the slide. These are all the things that you can do, or some of the things that you can do with your CSM partner. But that's really the idea. So defining a strategy, if you haven't had the time to define one yet, or if it's already defined, then just helping you reach your own goals. So these are the customer success managers. You can see them as like your advocates, strategic partners, experts, and so on. So again, we provide the platform, of course, but we can also offer this human and dedicated support thanks to our service packages.
Perfect. And as I mentioned earlier, we do have also 2 additional service packages, which is the advanced and also the ultimate. Now, the main difference of between these 3 service packages is, first of all, the ability to have multiple hours. So it will depend on the number of hours that you need, whether it's per month or per quarter or per year in general. And you do have also any customized integrations that you need that we would have to develop and use also our engineering team behind. So that would be the main difference between those 3 packages. So the essential is basically the basic one, where once you subscribe with us with an enterprise plan, you get the essential package all along. So that would be the standard or the starter point. We do have also something that we called add-ons. So I know Arnaud has actually a favorite one. So I'm going to let him talk about it, and then I'll cover the rest.
Sounds good. Thank you, Issam. Yes, I do have a favorite add-on, which is the restreaming one. It might be quite self-explanatory, but I'm sure that some of you actually are not sure about what is the restreaming. It's basically the possibility to restream your event on another platform. right? So your webinar is happening on Livestorm as always, but you might want to broadcast or restream your event on a platform like LinkedIn, maybe Twitter, maybe YouTube, or just a platform of your choice. So that's what this add-on allows you to do. It's quite easy to set up. Of course, I'm not going to go into too much details here. If you have questions, that's the idea of this video. You can reach out to us. But that will allow you to reach a much bigger audience, because people that haven't even subscribed to your webinar, registered to your webinar, will be able to see them on another platform. So that's why I really like this restreaming add-on.
Perfect. And also, my favorite one is the multiple workspaces. So the basically multiple workspaces solve one of the biggest problems that a lot of our clients used to have in the past, is the ability to separate data from department to another, which will allow them to have more visibility on what those teams have been doing with webinars and digital events, and also in terms of the data and how they can clean the data and also send it to the right person. So the multiple workspace is going to separate each team and under one account, and you can also use those workspaces and download data separately. And we do have also the video hosting region, which will allow you to host the recordings and also the data in a specific region. Like, for example, we have a European server and we have also US server. So it depends on when the company or the headquarter is based. And we do have also extra API calls.
Perfect. And I think that concludes this short video, just giving you an overview of the enterprise plan. So as a quick recap, and I will add one more information, you understood that the enterprise plan comes with exclusive enterprise features, comes with different packs. So Issam mentioned the 3 service packs that we have. We do have an integration pack. Again, very self-explanatory. It's just if you need the integration with Salesforce, we have a native integration with Salesforce that is available under the integration pack. And finally, we have a few add-ons that we just described. And I think that gives a great overview of the enterprise plan. Do you see anything that we should add, Issam?
All good on my side.
All right, perfect. Then I think it's time to let you go. Again, we'll be around during this whole week from the 3rd of June to the 7th of June. So if you have any questions, please just reach out. We'll be happy to either answer directly on the Livestorm community, or we can jump on a call with you. And of course, if you're watching this video and we're already maybe mid-June, feel free to reach out. I will still be available.
Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Arno, for your time. And looking forward to see you guys.
Yes,
Take care.
absolutely.
Bye.
Thank you, Sam. Ciao.